How to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here at the top, you'll find Meta AI. Click on Meta AI's circle. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here at the top right, click on I with a circle. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on mute. After you've clicked on mute, you'll find mute messages at the bottom. Click on mute messages. Now you'll find different options. Select until I change it. After you've clicked on until I change it, it will be muted and it will be disabled. This is a return of Meta AI on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.